Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Crystal. I am a registered ER nurse, self-taught chef, and foodie. And today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 different recipes that you can incorporate in your day-to-day diet that will not only help you lose weight, give you the good protein that you need, keep you going on your weight loss journey, easy to make, but they also taste good. If you want to see the shakes that I love to drink every day, then keep watching. This one is my favorite. So first you're gonna get your protein powder. I like to use dairy-free protein powders. Whatever protein powder that you like, use that one. I prefer dairy-free just because I try to limit my intake on dairy products. I put 1 scoop in there. I put a scoop of flaxseed. We have our protein. This is just something else that you can use to help you stay full, and it has good nutrients. The next thing that I'm going to add is sugar-free caramel. I like to put the caramel in there because it kind of mimics the Starbucks drinks that I used to drink a lot. But then when I found out how much sugar I was consuming and how it was adding more weight to my midsection and everything, I started opting out and getting these sugar-free caramels. I have sugar-free vanilla and so many other flavors, but for this recipe, I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar-free caramel. Next thing I'm going to add is, of course, coffee. So after you add your coffee, it's time for the milk. The milk I'm using in my shake is simply almond. I usually just kind of eyeball this. All right, so I got my frosted glass. I love doing this. If I'm able to enjoy it at home, I love putting my shakes in a frosted glass. Look at that. I'm gonna top it off with my Ready Whip non-dairy almond milk whipped cream. You gotta start fixing your stuff at home like you're having Starbucks. But guess what? This is a whole meal replacement that's gonna keep you full. Looks so good. Cinnamon on top. So for our second shake, it's gonna be more of like a dessert. So we're gonna do a banana pudding shake. So very easy how you make this. Let's get our blend jet. We're going to start off with, of course, our dairy-free protein. Flax seeds, which are totally optional. To me, I cannot taste flax seeds. For some people, they might. I don't know. Elevate your taste buds. So we have protein powder. We have flax seed, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Cinnamon is really good for regulating your insulin levels. It's also good for fat burning and appetite control. So we're gonna put a teaspoon of cinnamon. So we're gonna put 1 whole banana. And what is banana pudding without the cookies on top? Honestly, when I'm eating banana pudding, that's like my favorite thing. I want the cookies. Throw you some cookies in there. Look at that. Ice. Last but not least, the milk. Twist on your top. Be extra cute, you can add you a few sprinkles on it like that. It looks so good. It's like a treat, but it's a shake. Listen, make a shake that you enjoy drinking. We don't do a scoop of protein powder and water anymore, and that's it. It should taste good. It should taste like a little dessert. I'm telling y'all. So good. So good. If you guys are enjoying these recipes and want more different recipes of what you can do to like spice up your shakes, give this video a thumbs up. Number 3. So this one is going to be kind of like a strawberry cheesecake type of thing. I'm drinking a strawberry cheesecake and can't nobody tell me any different. That's how you have to retrain your mind and basically like reprogram it to keep you on your journey, make your journey fun, keep you motivated. So we're gonna start off with a scoop of our protein powder. We're going to add a tablespoon of flax seeds. All right, so next we're going to add our silk almond milk dairy-free yogurt. I have mine in vanilla. I'm going to add maybe like 2 scoops of it. 1, 2. And it's gonna give it kind of like a creamy consistency. Next thing, to make it strawberry cheesecake, we gotta add strawberries. So I had about 3 strawberries that were still in my fridge. So I'm gonna use fresh strawberries. You can use frozen if you want to. All right, so you're gonna add your strawberries. Now the next thing that we're going to add is our milk, ice, and we're going to blend. Our shake. Time for a little whipped cream, and like I said, this is optional. Look at that, it looks so good. Now we're gonna take our graham crackers and put that on top. Of course, we're gonna put our sprinkles just to give off that strawberry vibe. This is something good that you can make for your family. You can make for your children. You can make for your best friend, your boo, whoever. Because this is a good drink and we're approaching summer. So this is the wave. So when everybody's drinking their milkshakes, when everybody is eating their ice cream and all that sugary stuff, this is something that you can come whip up really fast and you don't have to feel left out. And you can still conquer your goals. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know which shake was your favorite and which one you're willing to try. If you have any recipes of your own, please comment them below so I can try them out. Also, if you are interested in getting yourself one of these blend jets, then please check the description box. I have a coupon code that will save you some money. If you have any video requests, please comment them below. And until next time, I will see you when I see you, whether that is my next post, my next video, or maybe in the streets. We don't know. Peace.